387 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. And the war is still going on. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle, boys and girls. In today's newspaper on Monday, October 28th, 2024. Not so good news today, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, only these three puzzles, and two of those I've already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. One puzzle is left, the binary puzzle number 9495. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Here. One, 2, 3. Come on. This is taking too long. I know between an O and a 1 there are 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Well. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I think we need to compare. 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 ones, and if I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 here or there. 1, 2, 3, 4 here or there. Yeah, now 3. With 3 ones. I think we need to compare now. 1, 2, 3. Well. Oh, and a 1. Oh, and a 1. 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Oh, and a 1. Yeah, we need to compare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, question is the rows or the columns? Well, this row and the fourth row. Let me compare now. 1 1 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double ones here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but they do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and a no between an O and a 1 with 2, and the box between there's always an O and a 1 there, but they do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to compare again. 1, 2, 3, 4. O and 1. Well, this column and that column. Let me compare. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Need to compare again. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need also here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I need to compare again. Question is which row, which column. Oh, 1. This cannot be. How about the double ones here? Here, double O. No, this row cannot be. O1. O1. No, I think the columns. Double O here. No. No. How about here? Double 1. No. How about the double ones? No. Well, first column. No. It's not the same. How about here then? 11. We have no double ones here. Well, overlooked. This column I cannot complete. Double O's. 1, 2, 3, come on, come on. Double one here, double O, double one, double O. Double one, double O. It's not the same, the one. So I need maybe this one. 0101. 0101. Oh, this is not the same. I'm stuck here. I believe I am stuck here. Oh, 01. Oh, 01 now. Yeah, I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 1. This is not the same. This is a 1. 1. Here 1. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. This one is not the same. "11 minutes. Come on. Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about this one? 0101. 0101. 0101. This double O here. Well, I cannot. This one I've compared. 1100. This is not 1100. 1100 here. Then this is not the same. So this I cannot compare. How about 0011? 0011. 0011 here. Double O. Well, it's not the same. 0011. No. 00. No. Cannot compare this one. So these three cannot. How about these 3 columns? 00. 0110. 0110 here, double 1. No, cannot. How about this? 1101. 1101, the first column. Okay, here this is no. 1100. No. 1100 here, and this is also a 1. So cannot compare this. So it must be the last column. 0010. 1. And this is not the same. Oh, what's happening? What's happening here? We have another 00 here, but this is I've overlooked something. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be 0 and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be 0 and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 and a 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 and a 1. I'm stuck here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 or there 1. What's happening here? This one I made a mistake here. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me put the 1 here then. Then this should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this should be a 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this should be an O. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be a 1. Then between the 1 comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the solution. But can I switch those? That's the question. Suppose this is an O. And this should be a 1. And this should be a 1 then. And that box should be an O then. And this box should be a 1. This box should be an O then. O, O. This should be a 1 then. Wait. Suppose this is an O. This should be a 1 then. 1, 1, O. 1 here, this should be an O then. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this should be a 1. 1. Then this should be an O. And that box should be a 1 then. 1, 1, O. Yeah. Or I made a mistake. Or we have two solutions. Here. Please leave a comment. I'm stuck here. What's happening with the comparing? Oh, 1, 1, and this should be an O. 1, O. Oh no, this is not the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So here, double 1. Wait. Oh, double 1. No, this is not double. Well, no. Yeah, let me put the 1 here, the O here, the O here, and the 1 here, and here the 1, and this should be an O. Is this correct? Please leave a comment, because the time is ticking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Is this correct? The question is this correct? Please leave a comment. Because I'm stuck. Because this I can also choose an O here, and this is a 1, and this is a 1. This should be an O, and this should be a 1. This should be an O. Do we have here two solutions? Question mark. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment. Do I have not compared correctly? Do we have identical columns or rows? That's the question. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Monday.